bad, was it?
No, that wasn't. Oh gosh.
That moved quite a bit though. That was good. There we go. The bottom leg is straight. And I'm just gonna turn you a little bit more, just like that. I'm gonna roll you over. Just like this. I've got you. You're not gonna go anywhere. How did that feel?
Felt really good.
Alright, we're gonna turn to the other side here. Top leg is gonna be bent. Just like that. Good. I'm gonna turn you over this way. There it was. How'd that feel?
Felt really good.
I'm gonna have you stand up. So what I'm gonna have you do is just take that ear, bring it to that shoulder for me. Just gonna rotate you this way.
Ooh, wow. Oh my gosh, I heard that.
Okay, and then if you want, I'm gonna come just like this. I want you to put your hands over mine.
Okay.
No, on top of
On
my
top?
fingers.
Oh, okay,
Yep.
gotcha.
Perfect, just like that. So I'm gonna lean you back on me. Now I want you to bring your elbows together. Squeeze them as hard as you can together. There we go. You felt that, right?
Yeah.
They know what to do. Relax. Good. Okay, feel your right. You wanted to yell. I can tell you wanted to yell. Here, come get real close right here so you can hear this. Good, perfect.
And now I want you to lay onto your right side facing you this way. I'm gonna straighten you up, exactly, Wesley. Just like that, but this is how we adjust the lower back. Breath in again. All the way out. Wow. Big release, man. Coming over this way. You getting set up for a busy week? Yeah. Good stuff, man. Good thing we're getting you aligned, bud. Hips relax, shoulders relax. Right through there. Good. A little tight, but we got a good release. Let's lay on our back now, sir. Now set it down. Excellent, sir. We're gonna do that again. Breathe in. Breathe. Head up, yep, and then let it down. Wow. And out. Big movement there. Breathe deep.
And blow it all the way out.
Ooh.
One more time, deep breath in. Blow it all the way out. Perfect. As a thrust. There we go.
I needed that.
And how was that?
Really good.
For all you crack addict lovers out there, we're feeling right through the neck, and oh, I already feel this. If you want to come in, this is so you can hear what's gonna go on. Good. Good. Come on in. So I'm gonna have you lean back on me, squeeze your elbows together. And you, and you felt that one.
Deep and down. There we go. And then breath in again.
Ow.
Yeah.
That one was good. And now this knee is hurting.
The right knee.
Yeah, it's
now that
really
one that one
left.
stung a little bit, didn't it?
Did it?
Did it?
I don't
Uh-huh.
remember.
I love it when Jessie's tired.
Yeah.
She adjusts easier. Chin up again. Perfect. One more, Jay. And out.
Oh my. This one?
Yes, ma'am. Hips relax. Breathe in. And out.
Oh god.
It's a big movement today.
Yeah.
Come on over this way. You can't fight me.
I can't. I'm so tired. And I know yesterday I was gonna come in and I was like, I fell asleep. I was like, I can't stay up.
Sleep is important.
Yeah.
Yeah,
it is.
7 a.m. getting off work, I get it.
Oh my god. I felt that through my whole body.
And then we'll work all the way up into her lower thoracics. I better shut up, or crack addicts be getting all over me. They like hearing your cracking noises instead of me talking. Let me have this right leg. There you go. Now you should have felt that from your knee all the way up to your lower back. Same thing here. Let this one go. There you go. Super. Feel that one all the way up too? Good. Just breathe through your nose for me. Oh yeah. All right. Felt that all the way down, didn't you?
Oh my god, that was the best moment of my
Now
life.
looky there.
That
Still,
was
you're kicking
so
even
awesome.
better. Isn't that great?
Wow.
That's a wow adjustment. I think that's what I'm gonna name this video.
Wow.
Wow adjustment
Yeah.
on Houston lady.
Yeah.
It's big.
But that's
big
like
one.
exactly where I feel like this twistedness.
Yeah, it is twisted.
Yeah.
We're gonna hold right there. We're gonna breathe in nice and deep. All the way out. Drop the hips.
Ooh.
Wow. Real much tighter than usual too.
Yeah.
Over this way. Should be able to get a bigger release here. Hips relaxed. Like so. And then big breath in and out. This one's a little lower than usual, down under sacrum.
Oh. That was good. That was my entire back.
Felt like it, didn't it? It was
Whoa.
really just the lower, but it.
Oh. Wow.
You gotta love Kristen's
There's a whole
reaction.
reaction video about me.
Yeah. Just a compilation. Oh, wow. I sense a Kristen McGowan compilation coming up. Breath in and out. Head drop right there.
Oh. Wow.
Alright, here we go. Perfect. Hope y'all heard that one. Here's another one. Perfect. A little traction here. Good. Alright.
And slow deep breath in and out. Nice and gentle here. Wow. Gentle indeed. Breathe. And out. Wow.
That was good.
Amazing, right?
Nice.
Okay, hands here. By the way.
I mean, they're fine. The usual.
The huge. All right, breathe in nice and deep. And down. There we go. And then breath in again.
Ow.
Yeah.
That one was good. And now this knee is hurting.
The right knee.
Yeah, it's
now that
hurting
one.
a
That one
lot.
stung a little bit, didn't it?
Did it?
Did it?
I don't
know.
remember.
I love it when Jesse's tired.
This one?
Yes, ma'am. Hips relax. Breathe in and out.
Oh, God.
It's a big movement today.
Yeah.
Come on over this way. You can't fight me.
I can't. I'm so tired. I know yesterday I was going to come in and I was like, I fell asleep. I was like, I can't stay up.
Sleep is important.
Yeah.
Yeah,
it is.
7 a.m. getting off work, I get it.
Oh my God. I felt that through my whole body.
Wild, right?
That was weird.
So when we come here, I bring the neck and the body to tension.
Oh my gosh. Oh,
There we go. And how far down did you feel that go?
that was amazing. Down to my butt.
Down to your butt?
All right. Yes, sir. Good, good, good. Alright, let me tilt you left. Just like that. Oh yeah, doesn't get any better than that, my friend. Okay, there we go. And just breathe through your nose, keep your teeth together. Oh yeah. That's why we call it ring dinger. You felt that all the way down, didn't you? You're still kicking that, you're right.
That was wild.
Yes, ma'am. You're gonna feel a little taller here in a few seconds. Look at you. Yeah. Breathe. That girl.
Oh my gosh.
Yep, that's the most common reaction we get is OMG. Felt that all the way down, didn't you?
Yeah, I did.
Good. Okay, keep breathing.
I think I'm taller.
Yes, you are. I got you. That's a girl. Oh, yeah. I told you I was just getting started.
But to her, I'm going to speak to her in Spanish. Okay, vamos a ajustar aquí por el cuello. Very good. Okay, very good. So, guys, as you're watching me as I'm talking, I am definitely palpating within the cervical spine, and I can feel the restriction right here at C2. Relájese aquí. Muy bien. Okay, acuéstese aquí boca abajo, right there, and then lean your upper body back right here. We're going to get in here and do some get some movement in here. Relax here for me. Good. Okay, upper right here. There you go. Perfect. Relax right here for me. Very good. Okay.